We're here looking at Dyson's digital mortar vacuums. First things first. This is the Dyson V8 Absolute, but it's in Spanish. But anyway, I won't say about that. And then here's the power button, but it's not gonna turn on. And then here's the original nozzle. And here's the soft brush. And they're missing the crevice tool right here, or the combination tool. So that might be the tools that are missing. And then the Dyson V12 Slim, and it has a fluffy cleaner head that goes in that has an LED light. And this is the power to the LED light. And then they've also got another problem. Their power button is right here, but it also won't start for the moment. That's powerfully enough for need for relation to Dyson's digital mortar vacuums. Then we've got the newest Dyson, the Dyson V15 Deluxe. The newest Dyson, which also includes a digital motor, and they've got this hair removable vines, which have an anti-tingle gum, which also they're related to the Shark vacuum that have Duoki technology. And then here's the power button to this vacuum, but it also won't start. But anyway, so it's a fluffy cleaner hair that can make legs like this. And then there's dust, but we're not going to touch it or open it. And then we've got the Dyson V11 outsize. And my grandma has this vacuum. And then here's the power button. And I'm gonna do an edit on this. I'm gonna change the original cleaner head and then I'll borrow the key, and I'll borrow this cleaner head from here, and then pop it off. Sorry about this. And then what I'm doing is putting this here in this side, and then putting this thing right there, and then it'll make it even crazier. And besides, they still have one of these things, nothing but going up. And then I'm gonna put it right here for a moment, and then now I'm gonna power it on. I'm gonna do this again. And it also has something in the thing right there. You can see it. Yes, and then I'm gonna do something to know that they're cleaning it very well. And now I'm gonna remove this cleaner head and place it back to the V8. But I've got a problem that I can't stand like upright vacuums, like the Shark Apex upright. That's a stick vacuum that can, and an upright that can easily do something to an ultralight and an upright. So I did it. And then finally, I'm gonna put this nozzle back to the V11. I mean V11. Oh dear. I guess it's gonna get there. Fine. And then finally, I'm gonna do another relations to Dyson's digital motor and their battery. And then here's what they can lift it up, but you can't. And then finally, I'm gonna, and then there got some more tools in there, but we're not gonna grab or touch them. They've also got powerful, crazy types of styles and stuff. Now we're all done with vacuums. There's a bit more vacuums like big upright or stick or canister vacuums. We got a Hoover wind tunnel vacuum. I do have a wind tunnel, which is a Hoover Elite wind tunnel vacuum cleaner. But we're done with vacuums. And this is the electronic thing. They have, and then we've got some more things like getting up to go, because industrial on the go are powered by silicons to let them know that industrial on the go is coming tonight, and we must. And the rules are you must do a short video with the confidence for industrial on the go coming. And then finally, we've got the washing machines. And then you've got this new type of washing machine. And then you open the door and then see something inside picking that thing. So yeah, what am I gonna do? They've got something down here for storage instead of cabinets, and then these type of air conditioners. They're like, I'm air conditioner. That's just a break. We got this other type of washing machine. And then, this is what they do to 1,000 times. They probably actually spin like a ceiling fan. They can spin like low or medium, but we can't do high. That's only when it's turned on to the moments that they spin like this. And then they've got a dryer, but they've got, not a dryer, not a watch, and they've just watched something. And they have an LED light in here, everywhere. Yes. It's just neat. And then we've got a Miele washing machine in here, and it's meant to do nothing. But anyway, I don't know where to open it. The water away. And then we've got this Miele washing machine. It also has an LED light right here. And then we've got this Samsung VX. That's the door. No, this is the washing line. And then they've been watching in the washing machine on towel, and this also has an LED light. And then they've got the power button, won't turn on. Probably the LED lights, and then another watcher on the top. That's why it's called VX watch. But sure you can't reach it, so I need someone. I can't reach anything, but I'm going to try to see if someone can carry me. Still not there yet for Leighton, and right here they've got something with a fence to the thing, and then they've got some tripod, and then they've got this thing. It looks like it doesn't look more like a minute. So we're gonna try to find out. And then we've got some top load watchers as well. And they're kind of like some more data fans. And then this does not have an LED light, but it does have something like that. And they've got another watching machine to know about that. And then I'll pause this video because I'm running out of space.